I just want to say I absolutely love your videos. Been watching it all the time. I am from Witbank in Malagleni, and I don't get a lot of time to go fishing by the ocean. So when I get time, I need the right rod, like the DAIWA Elite, because I've been practicing all the time to catch the big ones. So please guys, if it's possible, I would like to win that rod. See, I've been practicing a lot.
Hello ASFN! Just want to say my dad really loves your videos. Every time he watches it, he gets fish fever. So please give him this rod. He's making us crazy for him. Please help us!